open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 4 screws securing the housing. Remove the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Unclip the cord from the filter housing. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing. Reinstall the sensor clip. Reinstall the cord. Reinstall the screws. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.